Hello citizen of the world, welcome to channel. You are one step closer to become a front-end expert with this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create the staggered animation with Reanimated library in React Native. Let's refresh the app and I'll show you what I mean. This is this staggered animation where the items that you are listing, appears one by one with a delay. The libraries you need is just React Native Reanimated. You can install this, and I'm using the same project, same repository that I used in the last video. So you can clone from there and you can find the repository link in this video's description as well. So once you done that, I have also created a dummy data, dummy array here with these values. I'm using Flatlist in order to render out the list items, and in the render item I'm returning an animated view where the entering prop of this animated view is a fading down effect with delay of 500 milliseconds times the index of each item. So for the first item, since the index gonna be 1, it's gonna be delaying that for 500 milliseconds. For the second one, it's gonna be 1. For the third, 1.5 seconds, etc. It goes on. So this creates this staggered animation where each item appears one by one with a delay. And this is the beautiful UI animation that you can show your users in a app. There are different animations you can use as well. Fade in left, for example, um, if you are rendering instead of vertical, you can do horizontal. I fixed the styling so that the horizontal animation can be smooth. So if you give fading left and instead of fading down, and if you do horizontal, then your items will be appeared one by one by sliding from left. And you can customize this animation according to your needs, and your app will look 2 times better than without the animation version. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for new React Native related videos. Comment down below what else would you like to see. If you would like to see a full project tutorial, app tutorial from scratch, we can do that as well if you want to. Um, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Bye bye.